Good evening, friends. We have started this series of MCQ on different subject. Today we will be covering the most important MCQ on Constitution of India. And before I start MCQ, I hope you must be doing fine, staying safe and sound at home. So without wasting time, let's start with the MCQ. Our first question is, the constitutional validity of First Amendment Act 1951 was challenged. So the first constitutional amendment was the year of 1951, and this amendment was challenged in which of the following cases? So we have four options here. The first one is Shankari Prasad versus Union of India. Second one is Golak Nath versus State of Punjab. Third one is Minerva Mills versus Union of India, and the fourth one is Government Rao versus Union of India. So our first option A, that is Shankari Prasad Union of India, is the correct option. Let's move further. Next question is, the 24th Amendment Act 1971 has amended the provision of which article of the Indian Constitution? So we have four options here. First option is Article 13 of the Constitution. Option B, Article 31C of the Constitution. Option C, Article 368 of the Constitution. And option D says both A and C. So we have four options here, and the correct option is 24th Amendment has inserted, or you can call it the amended. 24th Amendment Act 1971 has amended Article 13 and Article 368 of the Constitution. So we have the fourth option here, that is option D, both A and C. Let's move further. The next question is, writ petition to Supreme Court can be preferred under which articles of the Constitution? We have four options here. Option A says Article 32, option B says Article 132, option C says Article 136, and option D says all of the above. I'm sure that most of you may get confused here, and you will be giving answer to it as option A, that is Article 32, but no, option D is correct. Writ petition can be preferred to Supreme Court under Article 32, 132 and 136. Be careful with the words. I haven't mentioned here the violation of the fundamental rights. I have mentioned the question is about the writ petition only. It's not about the violation of fundamental rights. It's about the writ petition, and the writ petition can be preferred under any of the following articles. So option D is correct. Let's move further. Next question is impact test related to. We have four options here. The first option A says Shri Venkataramana Devaru case. Option B says Veneth Coleman case. Option C says S. Mahendran case, and option D says R.K. Sabrawal case. So the correct option is option B, that is Bennett Coleman case. The next question is, right to move to Supreme Court for violation of fundamental rights must be based on. We have four options here. The option A says question of fact, option B says question of law, option C says mixed question of fact and law, and option D says both A and B. So the right to move to Supreme Court is based on question of fact, correct, question of law, correct. So we have option D here, which says option A and B. So the option D is correct. Thank you so much for watching CK Legalogy. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And till then, stay safe and sound at home. Thank you so much and have a great time. Bye bye.